Stop your vehicle now!
Stop! Stop the vehicle. Driver, put your hands out the window. Do it now. Put your hands out the window. Do it now. Any other occupants, put your hands out the window. Do it now. Do not take a puff of that cigarette. Keep your hand out the window. Drop the cigarette. Drop the cigarette. Drop the cigarette. Do it now. Why are you not stopping?
Because I had nowhere to pull over.
Are you kidding me? You can stop the vehicle right.
I'm terrified. Sir, here. Hey, no.
Shut the car off. Shut the car off.
Okay.
When you get pulled over, you stop at the.
Sir, there was nowhere to
Hey,
I didn't.
Ma'am.
Step out of the vehicle.
Ma'am.
Okay.
There was nowhere to pull over.
Yeah, I was literally just trying to make it.
What do you have in your hand?
It's my key, dude.
Hey,
Are you?
come back here.
Hey,
right here.
whoa.
Relax.
I'm scared.
Okay, I understand that. So let's calm it down. Let's calm it down.
Okay, get your hand off of me. I haven't done anything.
Look, I'm gonna either put you in handcuffs or you're gonna calm down and we're all gonna.
Okay, we're good, right?
You pulled the vehicle over immediately.
No, I couldn't. We were on a
64
bridge.
Negative, ma'am. You came in here.
Okay,
drove
but I was
all
just
through here, slow rolled all through here,
look.
came all the way back into these condos.
Can I tell you something? The other night, I literally just saved someone's life coming off this highway. And I made it a point to pull over where I wasn't obstructing anyone.
Okay.
That's why I kept going.
Understand. You're being pulled over tonight because the plate on this vehicle is expired.
I know.
Okay, do you have a driver's license?
I do.
Where is
I
it
do
at?
not have it on me.
Okay, you
but
don't have
I
it on
have
you,
my
but you
driver's
do-
license number and everything. It's at the house.
Okay. Let's start there. You're under arrest.
The stop was legally sound expired plate under Florida Statute 320.0 to 7, no license under 322.0 to 3, no insurance under 316.615, reasonable suspicion established under Delaware versus Prowse, 1979, DUI investigation triggered by the independent indicators, odor of alcohol, repetitive speech, and a significantly delayed stop. All three are recognized NHTSA impairment criteria.
Yeah.
You don't have any weapons on your person, do you?
No, I do not.
No knives, nothing like
Nothing.
that? Okay.
I have nothing in here.
Let's start with the driver's license.
Ugh.
1692.
Anna Marie, are you okay? All right.
You're good.
Can I pick my cigarette?
No, we're done with the cigarette right now. Let's just get the license, okay?
Okay. License plate
Go
number
ahead.
or my license?
Your license.
You know each other, so.
I got you. Just stay in the vehicle, okay? All right.
Because there's nowhere to stop. I was not running.
No. Yeah, I
I was
understand
trying
that,
to
but
make it
there's the yacht club. There's a turn here at
I
Sunchase.
don't. I'm not
you
from
know,
here.
Yeah.
You understand?
I know, but driving
didn't
further
know where
back
to
into
stop.
a neighborhood is. You could,
Where else am I supposed to go, dude?
ma'am, you're supposed to just pull off the road.
Okay, but I didn't know where to go. I'm not
So what
from
were you
here.
gonna do?
What do you mean?
Just keep
What was
driving
I-
around?
No, I just parked here because I was trying to make it safe for everybody else. I just told you I
Okay.
saved someone's life on the road because they were parked in the middle of
All
the
right.
street.
Do you have a valid driver's license?
Huh?
Do you have a valid driver's
Yes.
license out of Texas?
I do.
Okay. The vehicle's expired, no insurance. She doesn't have a deal on
Literally
her.
pulled in here because I'm not from here. You see the plates? They're Texas. I'm not from here.
It doesn't matter if you're from here or not, ma'am.
Yes, and I go to work and I go home.
God
I
gave
don't
you
know.
God gave you eyeballs, correct? Okay, I'm looking at them. So when you come off the bridge and the police light you up, that means pull over to the side of the road. Period.
Anna Marie, can you call your mom?
I'm on the phone with her.
Okay, perfect.
True statement or no?
I didn't know where else to go. I'm sorry.
I already explained it to you. You stop your vehicle to the right immediately. You don't continue driving.
I did not know where else to go. That's why I pulled into here. This was the safest spot that
You've
I
already
had.
explained that to me. Okay,
For
I'm listening.
even you guys, I
All we're doing is trying to inform you that in the future, if God forbid you ever get pulled over before, when you see red lights and blue lights in your rearview mirror, that means
saw them.
pull to the
Yes,
vehicle,
I saw them.
pull to the right, and stop
I was
immediately.
coming over the bridge whenever you lit up.
No.
I'm like, okay.
Whenever you
All
guys
right,
came
now we
off
need
the
to find
bridge,
in my head, listen, what's your name? I'm sorry.
Officer Scapin.
Officer Scapin.
Sure.
I am sorry that I did not pull over right away, but I was trying to figure out where to pull over.
I understand that. And now in your
I'm
mind,
sorry that I didn't pull over right away.
and now you've just communicated to me that this officer tried to stop you whenever you were coming over the bridge.
Not true at all.
All right. Whenever you came off the bridge, that's when he initiated his lights and tried to affect the
and
traffic
I didn't know where
stop.
to stop at that point. Are we going to talk about this, or are we going to
I'm just trying to make it clear to you that whenever you see lights, pull to the right and stop. That's it.
Absolutely. I am very aware of that. But
Okay.
I did not know where to stop. You understand that?
I understand.
I didn't know the yacht club had to pull in.
I understand what you're telling
me. In my
me.
head, yacht clubs probably have gates.
Right, but
I don't care.
But what I'm telling you is when you have the entire
stopped as
shoulder of the
soon as
roadway.
I felt safe to.
Okay.
And that's it. And I was trying to make y'all safe too because we just saw, whenever we were sitting at the show, there was
What's the problem?
I think 6 different cops out there already. Passengers. She's on the phone with her mother.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
We're fine. It's just I live, literally 10 minutes down the road.
I don't know where you live.
I don't know these roads, so I'm sorry that I didn't stop.
Okay.
But I didn't know where to fucking stop, so I stopped here.
Okay. I get what you're saying.
Yeah, no, I'm absolutely. I saw the lights up. I didn't. I'm not trying to run, or I would have gone.
Yeah.
That's the old me.
Okay.
Not me anymore. I'm just,
Gotcha.
I'm just with my friend, and we were hanging out, and I'm going home, dropping her off, and that's it.
Gotcha.
I'm still getting used to the area.
Yeah. How long have you lived in this area?
Well, I moved out here probably 3 years ago.
Okay.
But I was staying in the motel for an extended stay.
Yeah.
Started working, saved up enough money, and then we got the place.
Gotcha.
So,
Gotcha.
but I just go back and forth to work.
Gotcha.
I don't really.
Is this your vehicle?
This is my vehicle.
And you said you're...
I can tell you right now, it was very unusual for her to take that length. No, ma'am, this is a traffic stop.
Okay, but.
For it to take that long to respond to the police being behind her and pull over into here.
Yeah.
I mean, that is unusual.
PPD canines in route over here.
Okay. The car reeks of alcohol.
Oh,
She
absolutely.
reeks of
I can
alcohol and
smell it
coming off her breath is talking to her.
Absolutely. She keeps repeating the same thing.
Yeah, I know. And that's the thing. There's no arguing or reasoning with a drunk.
Obvious difference between the three of us right here.
Do not let her in that vehicle.
That's not okay. I have
Ma'am,
the right to have my phone.
No, ma'am. Not at this time. Not at this time.
Not at this time. Okay,
No.
so she can do
But
what
if
she pleases with
no,
the
she
property,
cannot.
correct?
If she continues
Why
to
is that?
disobey lawful order, she's going to be placed under arrest. Okay?
But she's not under arrest as of this
For
moment,
obstruction of
correct?
justice.
Samantha, come talk to me back here. We're not going to argue over there.
Okay.
Step-
But if she continues her behavior, she's going to be placed under arrest.
Y'all should look at y'all's behavior.
There's nothing unusual about our behavior. We're perfectly calm.
You are.
Listen. You're detained on a traffic stop.
It's
We have the
fine.
right to remove you from the vehicle. We
Yeah.
don't need you going back in the
Okay,
vehicle.
but my phone.
You don't need your phone right now. Okay, this is my concern. Okay. I am concerned that you have had too much to drink to operate your vehicle tonight, and that is based on the fact that I am observing clues of impairment. I smell an odor of alcohol as we stand here.
My car-
My partners are saying the same thing.
Yep.
Your
know
car
why?
does smell like it, yes.
I know. You know why? I'll tell you exactly why.
Okay.
My ex-husband I live with,
Yep.
and last night we got into it, and the cops were actually there,
Where at?
and at my house.
On.
Yeah. It was a woman. She was a sheriff, very cool woman, actually. And he poured a whole fucking bottle of wine into the car.
She did?
What?
You just said she poured.
Your husband did?
Yes, thank you.
What? So he dumped a bottle of wine? in
Yeah,
your car?
so it smells like alcohol in there. I probably smell like alcohol.
Yeah, no, I smell it when we're talking here. That's,
Okay, you want to do a field sobriety? I can do a backflip right now.
Would you be willing to do some field sobriety to dispel the suspicion?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm okay with that. I haven't been drinking since, what? What time is it right now?
Yeah.
No, she's not.
Ma'am, talk to me. Who is that?
That's her mother.
Okay, that's fine.
This is ridiculous. I will do a field sobriety test. That's fine. I haven't been drinking
Okay.
for 6 hours now.
Okay, what did you drink today? 6 hours ago. What did you have to drink?
I had a beer,
You had a beer.
12-ounce beer, 8 hours ago.
Okay, where was
You
that
want-
at?
It doesn't matter. You want to do the field sobriety?
Would you
I
like
can
to
do
the
it.
field
That's
sobriety?
fine. What do I have to do? Look, ZYXWVUTSRQPONM. I can do everything. That's fine. I haven't been drinking in a long time. The only reason why y'all pulled me over was for what?
Your tag being expired.
Exactly.
tonight. Yeah.
So why is it now I'm getting?
Because you're standing out of the vehicle acting a
Can
little
I
bit
have-
obnoxious.
Well, I mean,
and
look
I
how
do smell
look
the
at
odor
this.
of
This
alcohol
is
as you talk.
ridiculous. Go into the
Yeah.
car and you can smell it. You can see it in there.
Okay. You
I'm-
want me to
yes.
just check you out real quick?
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely.
All right. Do me a favor. Stand on this. We'll just use this.
I'll do this.
No. Stand right here in front of me. Just right here. Yep. Put your feet together right like that. Put your feet together. Yep. Hands down to your sides.
Okay, that's not gonna work because I'm nervous.
What's not going to work? Can you see the tip of the pen? Well, I have to be able to
can.
see you. It's dark out here.
Yes.
Okay,
I
with
can.
your right index finger, can you reach out and touch the tip of the pen for me?
My right
Yep.
index?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. With your eyes and your eyes only, I want you to keep your head very still. I want you to follow the tip of this pen as I move it from right to left, okay?
Okay.
Do you understand?
I do.
Okay.
811. 811. Can you make a note that the
No, in my
passenger's
head.
mother is 97? She's already been warned not to interfere with the traffic stop.
I'm going to go up, okay? Watch.
Okay.
Samantha, I think you've had more than one beer.
No, I haven't.
Okay.
Well, that's fine. I don't know. Whatever you want to do, man.
Okay. Well, would you
don't
like
know
to
what's
continue?
going on.
Would you like to continue the tasks?
Yeah, I don't. What do you want to do?
I would like to continue.
I want to go home.
I understand.
So what is it going to take for me to be able to go home? You want me to park my car? I'll walk.
Would you like
If
to
that-
continue the field sobriety tasks at this time?
Yeah, let's go for it.
Okay.
I'm not worried. What is going to happen if I don't? I don't know. I don't know what's going on.
Ma'am, at this-
Y'all are not telling me anything.
Right now, I'm conducting a DUI
wanna go
investigation with you. Okay.
I'm not getting a DUI tonight because I'm not drunk and I'm not under the influence.
Would you like to continue the tasks? This
No.
is
God forbid you
The driver's alternative explanation, wine poured by her ex-husband, is legally relevant but not dispositive. It creates a factual dispute, not a termination of the investigation. Under Florida Statute 316.193, DUI requires impairment of normal faculties, not intoxication. The driver admitted to one beer 6 to 8 hours prior. That admission corroborated the officer's observations. The officer completed only the HGN subtest, one of 3 in the NHTSA standardized battery. He then moved directly to arrest. This is the central legal vulnerability of the case. NHTSA recommends HGN, walk and turn, and one-leg stand before making an arrest determination. Stopping at one subtest leaves probable cause structurally weak and creates an obvious target for suppression motions. Declining further field sobriety tests is not a crime, but under Florida law, refusal is admissible at trial as circumstantial evidence of consciousness of guilt, a double-edged decision with real legal consequences. Upon arrest, the driver physically resisted. Florida Statute 843.0-1, resisting with violence is a third-degree felony, independent of whether the underlying arrest is sustained. Resistance is judged against the lawfulness of the command, not the outcome of the charge. Her verbal threat to kick an officer activated Florida Statute 784.0-7. Battery on a law enforcement officer. Each escalation added an independent criminal count to an already legally contestable DUI arrest. Officers denied the passenger phone access and threatened obstruction charges under 843.0-2. That threat was legally unsound. The First Amendment right to record police in public is firmly established. Glick v. Cuniff, First Circuit, 2011. No articulable safety threat, no valid restriction.
I don't.
okay.
So what now?
Turn around for me.
No.
Yep. Go ahead.
No,
turn around.
no, no, no,
turn
no.
around. Do it
Hey,
now.
hey! This is not okay!
You're under arrest for DUI.
For what? I
You're
haven't
under arrest
done
for
anything!
DUI.
I haven't
Relax.
done
Hey guys,
anything.
don't trample her. Don't trample her.
No, I haven't
That's okay.
done,
I got
done
her wrist. You
anything.
got cuffs. Yep.
No, I haven't done anything!
You are under arrest for DUI.
No, I'm not! Because I'm not fucking drunk!
Stop
This is
resisting, ma'am.
bullshit. I haven't done anything to you!
Calm down.
Calm down.
No!
Samantha, calm down.
Yo! I
down.
haven't done anything!
go
No,
right
get
here.
this shit off of me!
Sam, don't resist. Just
Why are y'all
Relax.
doing this? I
Relax.
haven't done shit!
Whose car is this right
I'm
here,
not
Brandon?
fucking getting in any
Is
of
your
y'all's
back seat
cars!
open?
Get me the fuck out of these cars! I haven't done anything!
I need a back seat.
Sam,
Oh.
hold on 1 second though. Let me talk to you.
Take my sword.
All right, come on, sit up for me.
okay?
Sit up for me.
I'm not getting in the car.
You
No,
absolutely are. You're
I'm
gonna catch another
absolutely
car.
fuck not. What the fuck, dude? Are you serious?
In the car, you're gonna get in there.
Have a
Get
seat.
in the car.
Oh, fucking what?
Get in the car.
Samantha, don't make it like
You
this.
get in the car.
Y'all just said that I could stand up and talk to her,
We're gonna
and
let
you're
her come
throwing
talk
me
to
in a
you.
fucking
We're gonna let
car.
her come talk to you at the window. Hop in the car. Do not make it more
Y'all
difficult.
can't
than it needs
arrest
to be.
me. I haven't done anything.
You are already under arrest.
For what?
Get in the
DUI.
car.
For DUI.
DUIs.
Are you?
Don't make us pick you up, okay?
Look at my fucking record.
We don't care about your record.
I'm not worried about
Well, you
your record.
fucking should. Get the fuck off of me, please.
All right, I'm gonna give you one more time to get in the vehicle.
What are
We're
y'all
gonna
gonna
put you in the
do?
vehicle. We're
Yeah,
gonna
I
put you
mean,
in
it's already fucking lost now. My life's ruined. Yeah, y'all fucking pieces of fucking shit. Fucking y'all. Yeah.
Hey, we need a female search for sure on her.
You want to get her back out?
Well, just
But really?
no. I don't want to get her out.
DUI? You don't even have any fucking proof.
Can you guys just calm her down?
Just fuck off my goddamn leg.
Fucking resisting.
Yeah, well, what do you fucking think I went to fucking prison for? Get the fuck off my leg.
A little
I
bit,
will
but
kick
you know,
you in the
female.
fucking
She's
face.
in like
Stop!
Hey, don't yell, okay? We're in an apartment complex. All right?
There's 6 of you guys here. Come on.
It's midnight.
There's 6 of you though. I'm sure
We
you
don't need to. We don't need to. We don't need to amp it up by screaming and waking the neighbors up, okay?
I don't have anything. Y'all already checked me. Get off my arm.
You want me to check her
That
when
shit
she's in there?
fucking hurts.
Blaine, do you want Abigail to?
I can check her when she's in there if you want to.
Yeah, go ahead, you stupid fucking bitch. Go for it. You're gonna break my fucking arm, dude.
I'm not gonna break it. Just shut up. God, you're making shit worse for you. Can you mind?
It's already fucked.
Yeah, here.
It's already fucked.
Driver.
They already checked me.
No one checked you. I took
Yes.
the lighter off you.
Yeah, Tim.
Okay, so what else is in my fucking pockets?
I don't know.
Nothing.
That's why we're checking you.
So what? I just told you there's nothing in there.
What on earth is up with her?
Because you guys put her in handcuffs and 5 of you just
Well,
tackled
we
her.
gave her ultimately a ton of opportunities.
Okay.
We didn't intend to tackle her. That's not how we do business.
Okay, but you guys did, so that's why she's upset.
And ultimately, she's still like fighting and kicking.
Can I
and
talk to her for a second? Just
we need her to really calm down before we introduce you.
Okay, we're in a.
Court outcome. DUI adjudicated guilty, resisting with violence and battery on a law enforcement officer adjudication withheld. Withheld adjudication means guilt found, no formal conviction entered, not an acquittal. Judicial discretion, not vindication. Officer receives a B. Valid stop, proportionate force under Graham versus Connor, 1989. Deductions. Arrest on one field sobriety subtest and an unjustified First Amendment violation against the passenger. The driver receives a C+. Consenting to field sobriety tests was correct. Revoking consent was not. Physical resistance turned a contestable DUI into 2 felony counts. Verbal threats added a third. The passenger receives an A-. Calm, compliant, de-escalatory throughout. Minor deduction for attempting to re-enter the vehicle during an active DUI investigation. Lessons from this encounter. 2. Resistance is never the remedy for a bad arrest. The remedies are suppression, a civil rights action under 42 United States Code Section 1983, or appeal. Resistance only adds charges. 3. An alternative explanation creates a factual dispute, not grounds to close the investigation. Document it, let the court decide. 4. Scene control ends where constitutional rights begin. Threatening protected activity creates liability, regardless of how inconvenient it is in the moment. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.